load up. Came and got the motorcycle. It's time to load it up, head to the city. Yes, sir. You know, this thing is hard to sell in, not really hard to sell in Vegas, but it's a lot more people that'll buy it way faster out there than out here, so that's where we're gonna head with it, man. Show it to some sunny California, man. We are on our way to the city. I believe this may be our bike right here. Bro left like 30 minutes to 45 minutes before I left. Here we go. Yes, sir. There it is. We slide on that joint too. Alrighty, guys, we have made it to LA, man. The vet is looking great. Seats is beaming through the glass. Got the bike over here. Just gotta throw some air in that bad boy, and then it should be good to go. Alrighty, guys, I done hopped in the truck. The homie didn't let me drive the truck with the trailer and the bike on the back. So I'm getting my my tow game up right now, man. I'm in this little Dodge right now with all the little electrical controls and stuff. We got some big 26s. He's trying to put this on his 5th gen Camaro. So yeah, I think she look pretty beast. Alrighty, guys, we made it here. I didn't really realize the trailer was like maybe a foot or two like wider than the truck. I almost knocked down a couple trash cans, hit a couple cars, and some more stuff, man. I gotta get better on the trailer, but we did just pull up to Baller's wheel place right here. My boy about to get these 6s mounted up. Y'all see them Fogies? We gonna roll them out. I'll give you a better look, but about to get them things mounted up on here, get it ready for paint and all the extra stuff. He got this car from Copart, so it's pretty much almost done. He literally got 2 more Camaro 5th gens SS's that's getting rebuilt right now too, so that's dope. And look at that Infinity truck. Oh my god, the color flip on that thing is nice. I like that. So these the 4Gs he about to throw on that joint. Big 26s. Thing look good. You gonna see if we got the poke on this joint.
We were waiting for clearance or what? You guys want to see clearance?
Yeah. Nah. I want to see how far it's gonna poke
clear,
out.
But with that, for sure, maybe it's gonna clear. But probably gonna be poking out.
Yeah, man? Yeah.
Might be alright. Might be alright. Looks like it's gonna go. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna go perfect. It looks like it's gonna go perfect.
You're good.
Pokey, man. I'm like my red ones for sure. I had to pull up on the homie, man. He said he done took a fall on his bike literally the day after we freaking went riding, so he kind of scratched up the fairing here a little bit. What else did he say? Oh yeah, the fender took some damage. Dude said he accidentally hit the front brakes while he was going up a hill or something. I don't know what happened, but he definitely tapped the front brakes and that front wheel didn't do nothing but slide. So he already got the new fairing and everything and the wraparound, the 21-inch wraparound at the crib. So we'll see how this thing transforms. Man, we didn't pull it up on the homie. They got the ATV.
Greg, come push it.
Let's see. There you go.
Pull it up.
Okay, let's help these niggas out, man.
Right there.
Sorry, over?
No, that's perfect.
Yeah, you definitely need to.
So look.
Yes, I need to get a motherfucker.
All right, band like that. Perfect. Now you gotta strap it this way.
All right.
That's how you do that one.
Welcome to LA, brother. This nigga, I don't know white boy shit.
No, for
My
sure.
brother getting fucked up, my nigga.
White boy do it all day long, nigga.
I got the brand new bikes. Brand new 450s. Brand new.
No, we looking real professional out here.
Brand new, man. 450's going up. They head to the dirt. See what's good. All right, so the homies is all loaded up, ready to go. One 450, one Raptor, another 450. Got them things strapped down, ready to hit the dirt. We're trying to get the bike sold, so I'm gonna do that and then meet up with them hopefully later if everything works as planned, man. So let's keep our fingers crossed. What's up, guys? We are back here next day, man. It's freaking early as heck, and the silver bike is gone, dog. Yes, you guys are seeing it right. It's no silver bike over here. That thing, we got rid of it yesterday, sold it. So now it's just literally the red bike left. We're gonna go hop on this thing and grab some like nice for sale pictures for this thing. Come back, post it up, but for the most part, this one is gonna be out of here too. So hopefully we can come back with something crazier. Just about to probably adjust my seat real quick. Push this up now that I got the bars so I can adjust the seat properly. So we'll just snatch this seat off and adjust it real quick. So after taking the whole seat off, and I didn't even have to, my dad's got pretty much a similar seat, Corbin style. He was like, bro, you don't even gotta take off the seat. All you gotta do is lift this part up, and it's gonna be a pull part. Now you get the screw right there. Now you can adjust the seat. You learn something new every day. Simple stuff, man. Well, let's work smarter, not harder, man. Alrighty, guys, we just made it back to the crib. Just hopped off the bike. Man, this thing is so freaking beautiful. Oh my God. And I just adjusted the seat, man. This ride is literally 10 times better. I can just kick back and relax on this bad boy now, man. Digging it. I'm digging it. We got rid of the silver bike, so that thing is out of here. This thing looking lovely though. What y'all think, man? Let me know what's up. He put up with them things in the back of that truck, boy. What's up, man?
What's going on?
How you doing, man? Nice seeing you.
How's it going?
Man, this thing look beast, dog. This thing is a beast, man.
Dirty right now, man.
Nah, it look good. That's how it's supposed to look. And we can get a closer look at these things, man. These are some fuel, 20 by like 10, 10 and a half, something like that. With 35s, 1250, 20s on it. Big meaty tires all around. Hopefully we get no rub on these things. I'm sure we might get a little bit, but we shouldn't get too much. And then we're going with the level kit. So our truck will look nice and lifted up a little bit. I can't wait, man. I really can't. Whew. He pulled up with that big old truck. Dropped them things off. Our truck gonna look so sick now, y'all. Our truck should be done in about maybe a couple days or so. So I was gonna keep this out of the way for you guys, but I want you guys to be just as amped up as I am, man. So then the homie pulled up. Man, them things look beast. Ooh, that motherfucker is hard. Y'all see the IA, man. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all go subscribe to my dog channel, man. Hopping out that joint with the doors that go up. What's good, man? So, alrighty, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I got the red bike only left to go back here, man. I got the wheels for the truck. The truck should be done within, like, by the end of this weekend, hopefully. So maybe by, like, I'm guessing, shoot, Sunday, if not, like, Tuesday or something, we should have an update. But I don't know what happens, man. We got rid of the silver bike. We did get what we want for it. So that's a plus too. We didn't lose any money. We made a pretty decent profit. I'll probably be doing a price breakdown video. But that's pretty much that, man. So without further ado, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Go visit everythingsregular.com. I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.